Hey, good day, everybody. So I just want to take a moment to record this quick video that will show you how our futures traders have been using the mood swing tool to pass their futures challenge, to get funded, and also to get their payouts going. The mood swing tool is a very powerful tool that will help you with your scalping. And there are many things built into the tool, but there's a specific feature within there that helps the futures traders immensely. So let's do that. At the moment, we see that we don't have the mood swing tool loaded on. So we just go here and we click on the mood swing tool. Now, you won't have access to the mood swing tool unless you subscribe to it. So all the subscribers, we have a video on how you could get the mood swing tool onto your trading view, right? And here we could see the basic mood swing tool where we have our fair price levels or mood swing levels. Well, at the moment, it's just showing the fair price levels, but I'll show you how to get the mood swing levels on. So we have to go to settings, okay? If we do that's it. Command Control close. That's our mood swing level right here, right? We click on that and we're in. Now, one of the other things that is important, right, for the future scalping are these mood up, mood down, bears, bulls, longs, shorts, okay? These are the settings that we really want to turn on if we want to get those opportunities for scalping in one direction or the next. So let's turn those on and see how we could have actually gotten some opportunities on this gold last week. Okay, so we put the longs, shorts, bulls, bears, mood up, mood down. And we hit OK. So at the moment, it may seem to be a little bit noisy. I'm going to go down to a smaller time frame. Right, so we could go down to the 5-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame. If you're scalping, I would say potentially we could stick to any one of these time frames. 15 minutes is pretty decent for intraday trading. Okay. So let's check this out and see what's going on. So let's go back here. Let's go back here for a minute. Okay. So here, this was on Tuesday last week. We see mood up, we see mood down, right? When we see mood up and mood down, it's telling us that we're getting some sort of a trend change happening, right? But it's not fully confirmed just yet, okay? As we see mood up happening, what we have to now wait for is for the bulls and the longs to get in on a buying opportunity, okay? We need the bulls and the longs after a mood up to get in on a buying opportunity. If we wanted to get in on a selling opportunity, we want to see the bears and the short, okay, after a mood down. But we don't see bears and short here. We only see bears. Here we see bulls and longs. So this is telling us I've got a mood up, we've got a bulls and a long. We should be looking to buy the gold. Right? Even though we see a little bit of a pullback at the moment, you notice that we're still getting bulls and longs, right? And there's something significant that is built into the tool that makes us stay with the trend of the market, even though we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. And that's what it's telling you. It's telling you we should really stay with the trend of the market, even though we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. Right? We see bears coming in, but we don't see a bears and short. We see bulls and long, and we have a mood up. We continue up, right? We have a mood up, we have a mood down again. Similar scenario. We either wait for bears and short or we wait for bulls and long to get in. If we get the bulls and the longs, So we get in on a buying opportunity, and we could see here that we got in on the buy, and we was able to catch, right? Or this actually moved over 300 pips to the upside on this strong mood up bulls and long move, right? Here we're seeing bulls and long again, right? So it's still telling us we should really be long on this position at the moment. We should be long. We should be buying gold, right? And this was on Friday. We see a push up. Again, that was an opportunity there. If you got in on any of these bulls and long opportunities, that's over 200 pips to the upside, right? And then we started to see a little bit of a pullback, right? And notice we still here getting bulls and long. So on gold, we should really be looking for continuing and buying opportunities. Gold is at all-time highs at the moment, but from a technical perspective, it is still trending pretty much to the upside. So we should be looking for buying opportunities based on our mood swing tool, bulls and long here. I want to show you a situation where we have the shorts, right? So here we have bears and short, right? When we have the bears and short, that's where we're looking to sell, right? Bears and short here, we might have gotten a little stopped out, but then eventually comes back, gives us the bears and short, and then we have an opportunity to sell the market from this bears and short here. And that's over 200 pips fall on this bears and short signal here from the mood swing tool. Okay. Pretty much consolidating here, bears and short, but even though you got in on bears and short, you might have been able to catch just a few pips here. Bears and short, that's what, 40 pips, 50 pips, right? For scalpers, that is pretty decent. We did have a change of structure, and then we had the mood upcoming. So that tells me that that bears and short is now expired. And now we should be looking for buying opportunities when we see a bulls and long, right? So pretty straightforward. So have a practice with this. Patience is really the key here to make sure that you have the confirmations first. What you could do is say, all right, I'm going to wait for 2 confirmations of bulls and long. So you see here, bulls long, and you get those 2, then you say, all right, I'm going to get in on the market, right? You see that it came in several times. Bear short, like say, for example, here, you said, all right, I've seen a bear short. I'll wait for a second bear short before I get into the market. A second one didn't come into play. Right here, we see bear short, and then another bear short comes in after. Boom. You've got 2. That's the confluence to get in. Okay? And always trade with targets. And when you hit your targets, you stop trading. That's the key. Make sure that you know how many dollar amounts you want to go for, how many pip amounts you want to go for. When you hit that target, you are done, right? You're done, right? So enjoy using the mood swing tool and the feature bulls and bears, longs and short, mood up, mood down. And this should help you out with your futures trading and even with normal scalping of the Forex as well. All right, bye for now.